picking up the little one. Oh my goodness.
How do I miss this? My eye! My eyes are hurting. My waters.
Gosh, it's raining finally. But it's so hot. Like, it feels very humid. And it's very windy too. I just started a hard gush of wind. So, that is the weather. Rainy, rainy, rain. Now I'm on my way to pick up the other daughter. So, and she goes to like well, obviously, a different school. It's like I have to take the freeway to get to her school. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna go right now. Raining, sprinkling. I'm gonna turn on my lights for the night. I already have my little lights, my LED lights on. They look super cozy. I'm just gonna turn on my little houses right now. Ta-da! They look so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love them. Super cute. Now I got these turned on. I gotta turn these on manually. I actually got these from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale for $5.99. So here they are. They look super cozy. Then I'm gonna turn on this guy. I finally bought the light bulbs from Target. I got them at Target. I said I was gonna get them from Dollar Tree, but I didn't. Got them off at Target. And they look so pretty. Look at that. They look super cute. Like, they're having a great time over there, just like gossiping and stuff, and I don't know, you know. And now this guy over here, if I can see. Oh, there we go. Got him right there. And look at that. Applejack jams. Super cute. They're having a great time and they're making pies, I think. Apple pies. Wow, that's amazing. And then let me turn on these other ones for this last house. Let me see. I gotta. There we go. So that's how it looks like. So that's how it looks like. Looks super cozy at night. And then I actually have my coffee out. Can't see it, but it's my ground coffee, the bourbon maple ground coffee. Oh my gosh, it tastes divine. It tastes heavenly. I don't know. It just tastes really good. I was gonna say don't mind the dishes. But this house right here. Oh my goodness, it looks so cute. Oh, it just looks so pretty. guys really quick what I got at the flea market. I found these cute clips. I feel like they're so beautiful and just like perfect for fall. But let me set you guys down right here. Okay, so, well, first off, I picked up this matte powder. Whoa. I picked up this matte powder by Italia Deluxe. This was $4. And here's the powder, and then it comes with a little sponge. So that's me. And then I picked up these clips. I think these are very beautiful and just like perfect for fall. I love the color. I love the matte color. And they're all matte. So I feel like these are very trendy right now. So I picked up the burgundy. And then I picked up the green one. I feel like these are so perfect for fall. They're very beautiful. And I love the shape. I love this shape right here. It's so pretty. So here's that. And just this one. Okay, so this is gonna be a Sam's Club haul. I just got a few pieces of clothes, I guess, like 4 pieces, 4 items. Yeah, 4 items. So first up, I picked up this hoodie for my daughter. It's in the size small. So I think it's very pretty. And I think this was like in the men's section because a man is wearing it. But yeah, this was the only one I saw there, so I went ahead and scooped that up because I know my daughter loves like she loves hoodies, so I picked this up for her. She liked the color and everything. So, and it has like the kangaroo pockets, or pocket, the kangaroo pocket, and it just says Newport hoodie. So yeah, so this is what the front looks like, and then just the back plain. So I got this crew neck sweatshirt, just says California on it. I really love this, and then this is like a relaxed oversized fit. The tag says, and I got it in a large, and it really fits really nice. I love it. It's very comfortable. And this is let's see the tag. Oh no, where's the tag? Oh, I found it. 60% cotton and 40% recycled polyester. So I really love the cotton. I really love when my clothes are like made out of cotton, more cotton than anything else. Yeah, so just a large size large. So it just says California, has the palm trees. It's very beautiful. It's like by the beach. So I love that. That's just like a light gray sweater. So this is the back. So I think this is very beautiful. And this was, I believe, $16.98. Next up, I got these jeans. I think it's just the tummyless high-rise skinny jeans. I've already tried them out. I think these look so pretty and they're comfortable. So here's the front. It has like a little bit of like the ripping detail right here. So I think these are very pretty. And here's the back. I think there was two other colors. There's like a darker blue and then kind of like a light dark blue. I don't know how to explain that. It's just like a regular blue jeans. And then these are the lighter ones, so I picked up these. I think these look more flattering on me. So yeah, and I got the size 8. But yeah. So I really love these jeans. They look very pretty. I got this Halloween sweater. Very beautiful. Has a little ghost, of course. I love ghost. So it just says boo. And I got it in the size large. So, and then this is just I don't know, just a state of mind. Yeah, and it's just all black, and then it's plain on the back. So I really love this, like the feel of it, very soft and it feels comfortable. I just love the little ghost on it, it's super cute. Also has like, it's just like a crew neck, has a crew neckline, and then it has the same detail on the sleeves. Yeah, I really love picking out like these like holiday sweatshirts. I think they look very pretty and just so festive for like the holidays, especially for Halloween and Christmas. So, and then I picked up 2 sweaters, or I ordered 2 sweaters online from Shein for both of my daughters. Just Halloween sweaters or sweatshirts. So I'll be sharing that in an upcoming video.